Today, we will learn how to make money online by creating SVG files for cricket machines. You can see on my Illustrator, I have 2D flat illustration and I need to make an SVG file. So for that, you need to select the image, go to image trace. As you can see, there are only three basic colors, so it's pretty simple image and you can trace it easily. If it's a complex image, you need to use pen tool to trace it all around. So let's try three colors now. Okay, it's simple and done, but cricket machine need to use compound path to cut all through the vinyl. So how to make this kind of file in Illustrator? And after this process, we're gonna hit expand so that we can make each component as a compound path. Now we need to ungroup everything and delete the outside white portion. We don't need this anymore. Now you can see three colors. So I'm going to select white color first and change it to a bit silver. If you hit layer icon, you can see all the paths are independent, but we need to make every path as a compound path. So for this, we need to select each color and make them compound. Let's select the pink color first. Oh, before that, we can see the nose is yellow color. So let's turn it to yellow first. And after that, we're gonna select all pink colors by using magic tool and press Ctrl 8. As you can see, when I press Ctrl 8, it turns the path into compound path. So one portion is done, and let's jump to the next color. I can select the silver and press Ctrl 8. It's done again. Now for the yellow, it's a single color. Ctrl 8 again is done too. Now we can see only three paths are remaining, and those are black. So from here we can select all the blacks and press Ctrl 8. So everything is done now. This is a compound path, and as you can see, we can actually separate the colors. So as you can see, we can separate each and every color on a different independent layer, and this kind of file only used as SVG for laser cutting, vinyl cutting, or any other cutting machines. Now here comes the important part. You must save this as SVG file. For that, you need to click file and export as. Now you choose the location and make sure you select SVG from the list. Hit export. Must make these options same like me. Okay, so you need to maintain these parameters and hit OK. That's it. Your file is saved as SVG and ready to sell. This is a particular file that you can sell it on Fiverr and can earn a lot of money within short time. I hope you like the video. This is a very simple one. I will show you more complex file, how to do them and how to make mockups and each and every step in detail on my next videos. So before that, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you so much.